First and foremost, we're going to find out what df dx, df dy, and d squared f dy dx. First and foremost, we're going to find out what df dx is, then df dy, then d squared f dy dx. So let's do df dx, which I think is fairly straightforward. We're going to use the chain rule. So you're going to get, let's say, d du. We're going to substitute in u for x plus y. So you're going to get ln u, which equals 1 over u du dx, where u equals x plus y. So df over dx is going to be 1 over x plus y dot d dx x plus y. Obviously, d over dx is going to be 1. So you're going to get 1 over x plus y as your df dx. So now let's start on df dy. Obviously, again, u equals x plus y, so you're going to get ln u. We'll substitute that in. So du dy is 1. Obviously, if you differentiate this with respect to y, it's going to be 1. And obviously x is held as a constant, which once you differentiate would evaporate, but you can obviously bring it back in later. Where are we at? Du dy, so that means d over dy ln u is 1 over u du over dy. That looks a bit messy, but you should kind of get it. I was trying to squeeze it in. So df dy is going to be 1 over x plus y dot d dy x plus y, which equals 1 over x plus y. Again, exactly the same. Now let's do d squared f dy dx. We're going to take df dx and differentiate it now with respect to y. So we have 1 over x plus y. Also, if you want to know why does ln x, like, you know, traditional just ln x, no ln x plus y, it differentiates to 1 over x. I have a specific video by itself just explaining how this even happens, like how does it even get to that. I'm taking limits and I'm just proving it basically. But if you don't care and you just need to remember, ln x differentiated equals 1 over x. So if we now take this and we're going to do d squared f dy dx, it's going to be 1 over x plus y d over dy. So we're going to differentiate this with respect to y. We're going to use the chain rule again. So d over dy is 1 x plus y equals minus 1 over x plus y squared d over dy x plus y. I also have another video on just the chain rule by itself. That's why I'm kind of moving through this quite quickly. So obviously this would equal 1. So therefore d squared f dy dx is going to be minus 1 over x plus y all squared. And right there, we're done.